विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्सचा स्टडी आपण करतोय. या पी ब्लॉकच्या या 5व्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी आपलं स्वागत करतो. या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इम्पॉर्टंट कंपाऊंड्स ऑफ बोरॉन याचा स्टडी करणार आहे. एकूण 3 कंपाऊंड्सचा स्टडी आपण करणार आहे. एक बोरॅक्स, दुसरं ऑर्थोबोरिक ॲसिड आणि तिसरं डायबोरेन. तर पहिल्यांदा आपण बोरॅक्सचा स्टडी करूया. सो फर्स्ट आय राईट द हेडिंग नंबर 1 बोरॅक्स. The formula of borax is Na2B4O7 10H2O 10H2O. This is the formula of borax. This is known as sodium 4 boron, therefore sodium tetraboro decahydrate. Sodium tetraboro decahydrate. The same formula can be written like this, or Na2B4O5 OH4 8H2O. This is the correct representation of borax. Sodium tetraborate, sodium tetraborodecahydrate. So this unit B4O5 OH4 2-. This unit is known as tetranuclear unit. Tetranuclear unit. So this is about sodium tetraborate decahydrate. We shall study where this borax occurs. Borax occurs as tincal, which contains 90% of boron. Then I am going to explain methods of preparation of borax, how this borax is prepared. For the preparation of borax, this compound is used, Ca2B6O11. The name is colemanite. Ca2B6O11, the name is colemanite. From colemanite, borax is prepared. It is treated with Na2 CO3 solution. Sodium colemanite is heated with sodium carbonate. So one product will be definitely borax, Na2B4O7. Calcium combines with CO3 and one more product is calcium carbonate. Precipitate of calcium carbonate is formed and another product is NaBO2. This is borax. This is sodium metaborate. Balance this reaction. Here 4 boron and here is 1 boron 5, on this side 6, therefore I take twice NaBO2. Number of sodium becomes 4, therefore I take here twice sodium carbonate. On left hand side 2 calcium atoms are present, therefore I take twice CaCO3. So this is the method used for the preparation of borax. Borax is prepared by the reaction of colemanite with sodium carbonate, Ca2B6O11. Then we are going to learn properties of this borax. I write here Na2B4O7. This borax reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide plus orthoboric acid is produced, H3BO3. This is orthoboric acid. Borax reacts with water and forms sodium hydroxide. The solution is alkaline, slightly alkaline. I write here twice NaOH because on left hand side 2 sodium atoms are present. Here on left hand side 4 boron atoms are present, therefore I take 4 times H3BO3. Number of hydrogen 12 plus 2 14, therefore I take 7H2O. So this is the reaction of borax with water. Remember this H3BO3, orthoboric acid. This compound, for our understanding, sometimes I am going to write like this, BOH thrice. This boron is attached to 3 OH groups. This is the structure of orthoboric acid. H3BO3 can be written like this. Its structure can be shown like this, planar structure, in which boron undergoes sp2 hybridization. If this point is clear, I explain the next point of borax. So remember the formula of borax is Na2B4O7 10H2O. So I am going to explain how borax bead test is taken. How borax bead test is taken. I write here Na2B4O7 10H2O. 10H2O. This is borax. This borax, when heated, loses water of crystallization, loses water molecule and gets converted into Na2B4O7. These water molecules are removed. This compound on further heating forms sodium metaborate NaBO2 plus B2O3 boric anhydride or boron oxide. This is sodium metaborate. This is known as borax bead. This is borax bead. Suppose here I have taken platinum wire and this is the loop of the platinum wire. When borax is heated on loop of platinum wire, it gets converted into liquid. Liquid solidifies and forms a glass-like material known as borax bead. We have to balance this reaction. I take twice NaBO2, sodium metaborate. Now you see, this borax bead test is taken in inorganic qualitative analysis. Suppose here is salt of transition metal. When this salt is heated with borax, suppose cobalt oxide is the salt. It is heated with borax powder. Then it forms borax bead. Having formula COBO2 twice, which is blue in color, cobalt borate. So this borax is used in borax bead test. When the mixture of salt of transition metal and borax is heated in the loop of platinum wire, then here blue colored borax bead is produced. So this is about borax bead test. After explaining this, I am going to explain next point. This is test for borate. Here borax is heated with ethyl alcohol and concentrated H2SO4. The mixture burns with vapors. Mixture gives vapors which burns with green flame. So this test is known as test for borate, when the compound containing borate is heated with ethyl alcohol and concentrated H2SO4, it gives green flame. It burns with green flame, known as test for borate. I explain with the example. Here I take borax, Na2B4O7, compound containing boron, when heated with H2SO4, it is converted into H2SO4 plus water. Aqueous H2SO4 is used. Heating is represented by delta sign. Sodium sulfate is one product and another is S3BO3. Boric acid, orthoboric acid, is the another product. Two boron atoms are present on left hand side, therefore four boron atoms are present on left hand side, therefore I write 4 times S3BO3. Number of hydrogen becomes 12. Here 2 hydrogen and I take 5 H2O. Here hydrogen becomes 12. In this way, this boric acid is formed. This boric acid S3BO3. For our simplicity, I write like this: BOH thrice. It reacts with ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. It forms BO. This H is replaced by C2H5. 3 times plus H2O. This is known as triethyl borate. This is known as triethyl borate. Balance this reaction, I take 3 times ethyl alcohol and here 3 times H2O. So this is test for borate. The same type of reaction we are going to learn after some times in studying preparation of boric acid. So this is about borax. After explaining this point, I want to tell you uses of uses of borax. Where is borax used? Borax is used as mild antiseptic. Borax is used as mild antiseptic. Borax is used in the manufacture of glass. हे पहा, ग्लास तयार करण्यासाठी बोरॅक्सचा उपयोग करतात. बोरॅक्स इज यूज्ड in the manufacture of enamels and paints for earthen pots. हे पहा, मातीची जी भांडी आहेत त्याचे इनॅमल किंवा पेंट तयार करण्यासाठी या बोरॅक्सचा उपयोग होतोय. हा जो बोरॅक्स आहे त्याचा उपयोग मेडिसिनल सोप तयार करण्यासाठी करतात. हा जो बोरॅक्स आहे हा बोरॅक्स फूड प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह म्हणून पण त्याचा उपयोग होतो. त्यानंतर मगाशी एक्सप्लेन केल्याप्रमाणे बोरॅक्स बीड टेस्टमध्ये सुद्धा या बोरॅक्सचा उपयोग होतोय. त्यानंतर ॲज अ फ्लक्स फॉर सोल्डरिंग अँड वेल्डिंग. सोल्डरिंग करण्यामध्ये आणि वेल्डिंग करण्यामध्ये फ्लक्स म्हणून या बोरॅक्सचा उपयोग होतोय. अशा रीतीने आपण बोरॅक्सचा स्टडी कंप्लीट केलेला आहे. आणि दुसरा पॉइंट मी एक्सप्लेन करतोय, नंबर 2, ऑर्थो बोरिक ॲसिड. This orthoboric acid is also known as boric acid. Its chemical name is hydrogen borate. So the formula of orthoboric acid is S3BO3 hydrogen borate. Now you see, हे पहा, बोरिक ॲसिड आपल्या सर्वांना माहीत आहे, आपण सर्वांनी बघितलेलं सुद्धा असेल. हे पहा, धान्य प्रिझर्व करण्यासाठी आपण गहू, ज्वारी, तांदूळ याला बोरिक ॲसिड लावून ते प्रिझर्व करतोय. आणि बोरिक ॲसिड हे फूड प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह म्हणून वापर करतात, आपण सर्वांनी बघितलेलं असेल. हे जे बोरिक ॲसिड आहे हे व्हाईट क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड आहे, ज्याला सोपी टच आहे. व्हाईट क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड हॅविंग सोपी टच. इट इज sparingly soluble in cold water, but highly soluble in hot water. हे जे बोरिक ॲसिड आहे याचं प्रिपरेशन आपण पाहणार आहे. प्रिपरेशन कसं तयार, बोरिक ॲसिड कशापासून तयार करतात तर बोरॅक्स पासून तयार करतात. Na2B4O7 प्लस इथं HCl किंवा H2SO4 वापरलं तरी चालेल. मगाशी या टाईपची रिॲक्शन आपण बघितलेली आहे. प्लस water. Here sodium chloride is one product plus S3BO3 orthoboric acid is another product. On left hand side, 4 boron atoms are present. Therefore, I take 4 times S3BO3. Here, 2 sodium atoms are present. Therefore, I take twice NaCl. On right hand side, 2 chlorine atoms are present. Therefore, I take twice HCl. Here 12 hydrogen atoms are present. Therefore, I take 5H2O. I think the equation is balanced. So, orthoboric acid is prepared by this method. Borax, when treated with aqueous HCl or H2SO4, boric acid is produced. This is BX3, boron trihalide. This on treatment with water give boric acid S3BO3. Here this S3BO3 I can write like this: B OH thrice plus 3HX. I balance this reaction 3 times H2O. Similarly, diborane B2H6. This diborane on treatment with water forms boric acid BOH thrice. Instead of writing like this, I wrote in this way: BOH thrice plus H2O. Balance this reaction: 2 boron twice B. Hydrogen 6, here 6, I take 6H2O. Check whether the reaction is balanced or not. Here 6H2 is produced. 6H2, ठीक है, okay. Sorry, here 6 oxygen, therefore 6 hydrogen is formed. So you know that S3BO3 is boric acid. The same boric acid I represent like this: BOH thrice. This boric acid has planar structure. In this boric acid, in the valence shell of boron, there are 6 electrons. That means its octet is incomplete. This boric acid, when added in water, it accepts OH minus ion of water. H plus ion and OH minus ion are present in H2O. Water is weak electrolyte, small amount of H plus and OH minus ion are present. It gets converted into OH and OH. This ion is formed plus H plus ion is formed. This orthoboric acid is weak monobasic acid. Weak monobasic acid. It does not release H plus ion. It does not release H plus ion. When dissolved in water, it accepts OH minus ion and then proton is released. Then proton is released. It is not a protonic acid. It is not a protonic acid. It releases H plus ion when it reacts with water. When it reacts with water. So remember, the question may be asked, why orthoboric acid is not protonic acid? It is monobasic acid. It is monobasic acid. It is Lewis acid. Lewis acid. It is not protonic acid. It is not protonic acid because it does not release H plus ion. It does not release H plus ion. After explaining this point, I am going to explain next reaction of boric acid. So here I write S3BO3. Boric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide. Acid base reaction, therefore one product is water. One product is water. Another product is sodium metaborate. Sodium metaborate is formed. Now I am going to explain structure of this boric acid. Structure of boric acid. In boric acid, boron is bonded to 3 OH groups. Boron is bonded to 3 OH groups. I represent here B. Here oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. Here is hydrogen. Here is hydrogen and hydrogen. One molecule of boric acid I have shown here. Similarly, I represent another molecule of boric acid. Here BOH. This is another molecule of boric acid. Here is hydrogen bonding. Similarly, these oxygens are bonded to hydrogen by hydrogen bond. It is bonded to oxygen. So in this way, the structure of orthoboric acid can be explained. In orthoboric acid, boron is bonded to 3 OH groups. It has layer structure. It has layer structure in which planar BOS thrice units are bonded by hydrogen bond. This is hydrogen bond. So I repeat once again, Orthoboric acid has a layer structure in which BOS3 units are bonded together by hydrogen bonding. So this is about structure of orthoboric acid. One more point I want to explain. This S3BO3 on heating loses water molecule and HBO2 is produced. Hydrogen metaborate, or it is metaboric acid, which on heating give B2O3, boric anhydride or boron oxide, Now I am going to explain uses of boric acid. All of you know that boric acid is used as food preservative. It is used as mild antiseptic in eye wash. It is used for the preparation of glazes and enamels in pottery. पण मातीची जी भांडी असतात त्यांचं झिलई करण्यासाठी म्हणजे ग्लेझिंग आणण्यासाठी ग्लेझेस अँड इनॅमल्स इन पॉटरी अर्थन पॉट्समध्ये त्याचा उपयोग होतोय. तर अशा रीतीनं आपण बोरॅक्स आणि ऑर्थोबोरिक ॲसिड यांचा स्टडी कंप्लीट केलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण डायबोरेनचा स्टडी करणार आहोत. व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत बघितल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. थँक्यू सो मच.